Hi, everyone. I'm Lucy.
And I'm James. Good to see you again, Lucy.
You too, James. It's great to be here with all of you today.
How are you feeling today, Lucy?
I'm feeling wonderful. I'm really excited about our topic today.
Me too. Today, we're talking about something very important for English learners.
Yes, it's a problem that so many people have.
What's the problem?
The problem is this. I can understand English, but I can't speak.
Oh, yes. That is the number one problem I hear from learners everywhere.
Me too. People tell me they can watch movies, they can listen to podcasts, but when they try to speak, their brain stops.
The words disappear. Everything feels stuck.
Exactly. It feels like your voice is locked inside.
But the good news is, we can unlock it.
Yes, today we will share 8 powerful tips to help you unlock your English speaking voice.
These tips are very practical. You can start using them today.
Before we begin, we have a small request.
If you enjoy our podcast and you're learning with us, please give this episode a like.
It really helps us grow and helps other learners find this podcast.
And please subscribe so you never miss our new episodes.
Thank you so much for your support.
Okay, Lucy, I'm ready. My voice is locked. How do I unlock it?
The first tip is to change how you listen.
Change how I listen? But I already understand English?
Understanding is great. It's the first step, but we need to change from passive listening to active listening.
What's the difference?
Passive listening is when you listen while doing other things. Maybe you're cooking or driving. The English is in the background.
I do that all the time.
Active listening is different. You listen and you repeat.
So, I hear a sentence, and I say the sentence.
Yes, there's a wonderful technique called shadowing.
Shadowing? Like my shadow on the ground?
Exactly. You become the shadow of the speaker. You listen to a podcast or video and you repeat what they say at the same time.
At the same time? That sounds difficult.
You can start slowly. Listen to one sentence. Press pause, then repeat the sentence.
Okay. Listen, pause, repeat. I can do that.
When you feel more confident, try to speak along with the person. It's okay if it's not perfect.
So I'm not just hearing English. I'm making English.
Exactly. You're training your ears and your mouth to work together.
That's a great first tip. What's next?
The next tip is to create your English mode.
My English mode? What's that?
It's a special time each day when you only think and speak in English.
Only think in English? That's hard. My brain loves my first language.
Of course, but you can practice. The best way is to talk to yourself.
Talk to myself? People will think I'm crazy.
You can do it when you're alone. You just narrate your day.
Narrate? You mean say what I'm doing?
Yes. For example, when you're in the kitchen, you say, "I'm making coffee now. I need a cup. Where's the milk?"
Oh, the milk is in the fridge. I can do that. I'm sitting here. I'm talking to Lucy. I'm learning.
Perfect. You're doing it right now.
It feels a little silly, but I see why it helps.
It forces your brain to find the words. You have to produce the language, not just understand it.
My brain has to work. It's practice for real situations.
Exactly. Try it for just 5 or 10 minutes every day.
Okay, so I'm shadowing and I'm talking to myself. But what if I don't know the words?
That's our third tip. Stop memorizing single words.
Stop learning new words? But I need more words.
No, no. I mean, stop memorizing lists like cat, dog, book, house. That's not helpful for speaking.
So, what should I learn?
You should learn chunks.
Chunks? Like a chunk of cake?
I like cake too, but no. Chunks are groups of words. They're phrases.
Give me an example.
Instead of learning the word point, learn the whole phrase. That's a good point.
That's a good point. I can use that in conversation.
Yes. Or, instead of learning the word mean, learn the phrase. You know what I mean?
You know what I mean? Or, let me see. Or, that's interesting.
Exactly. These are like tools. They're ready to use.
I don't have to build the sentence. These are shortcuts for fluency.
Yes. You don't have to think about grammar. You just use the chunk. It makes you sound natural.
Learn chunks, not single words. I love it.
Now, the next tip is maybe the most important one.
I'm ready.
You must speak every single day.
Every day? But Lucy, I'm so busy. I have work. I'm tired.
It doesn't have to be 1 hour, just 5 or 10 minutes, but every day.
So 5 minutes every day is better than 2 hours on Saturday?
Yes, much better. Speaking English is a skill like playing piano or playing football. You must practice often.
It keeps the English muscle in my brain active.
Exactly. But then the question is, who do I talk to?
Right. I'm shy. I don't live in an English-speaking country.
You can talk to your phone.
My phone? My phone doesn't answer me.
You use the voice recorder app. You record yourself.
Oh no. I don't want to do that. I hate my voice.
Your voice is not bad. Your voice is just you. This is a very good tool.
How do I do it?
You ask yourself a simple question, like, what did I do today? Then you press record and answer.
So I say, today I woke up, I went to work, I ate a sandwich for lunch.
Yes. Then you listen to the recording. You think, oh, I said that very well. Or you think, that word was difficult. I'll practice it.
So I'm my own teacher.
You are. And there's no pressure. No one is watching. It's just you and your phone.
Okay, I'll try it. It sounds a little scary, but I see why it's helpful.
There's another fun way to practice. Role playing.
Role playing? Like in a movie?
Yes. You imagine a situation. You're at a restaurant, you're at the airport, you're in a job interview.
And I talk to the wall?
Yes. You talk to the wall or your cat. You pretend. You can be both people.
Let's try. Hello, welcome. What would you like to order?
I would like a pizza, please.
Okay. And to drink?
I'll have water, please. See? This is fun.
It is fun, and it trains my brain to react in English.
It prepares you for real situations, so when you're really at a restaurant, your brain doesn't freeze.
That's the big problem, freezing.
This trains your brain to think fast and respond.
I love this idea. Now we need to talk about something scary.
What is it?
The fear of mistakes.
Ah, yes. That is a very big fear.
I don't speak because I'm afraid. I'm afraid my grammar is wrong. I'm afraid people will laugh.
Everyone feels this way. Every single learner. But I want to tell you a secret.
A secret? Tell us.
Mistakes are your friends.
My friends? No, Lucy. Mistakes are bad.
No. In speaking, mistakes are good. A mistake is proof that you're trying. It's proof that you're brave.
I never thought of it that way.
You cannot learn to speak without making many mistakes. It's impossible. Fluency comes after the mistakes, not before.
So, I should just speak even if it's not perfect?
Yes. The goal is communication, not perfection.
Communication, not perfection. I love that.
Did the other person understand your idea? Then you win. You did a great job.
That takes all the stress away. Okay, I'll try to be brave and make friends with my mistakes.
Good. And that brings us to our last tip. To stop freezing, you must practice responding.
Responding? You mean answering?
Yes. Listening is wonderful, but a conversation is two-way. It's listen, speak, listen, speak.
That's the hard part. The fast part.
It prepares you for real situations. So when you're really at a restaurant, your brain doesn't freeze.
So I train my answer speed.
Yes. Or you can find a friend who is also learning English, or a teacher. The secret is to train your brain to reply, not just to listen.
Listening is passive. Replying is active.
Exactly. It's all connected. Active listening, active thinking, active replying.
This all makes so much sense.
The English is in your head. You do understand. These tips are the bridge. They help you move the English from your ears to your mouth.
These tips are so helpful. Let's do a quick review.
Great idea. Tip 1. Practice shadowing. Listen and repeat.
Tip 2. Create your English mode. Talk to yourself.
Tip 3. Learn chunks. Groups of words, not single words.
Tip 4. Practice every single day, even just 5 or 10 minutes.
Tip 5. Record your voice on your phone. Be brave and listen.
Tip 6. DAW role plays. Pretend you're ordering pizza or checking into a hotel.
So, you must practice it. You can use an AI chatbot on your phone. You ask it questions and it asks you questions. You must answer.
And tip 8. Practice responding. Train your brain to reply quickly.
That's a powerful plan.
Now, let's talk about how to use these tips in real life.
Good idea. So, how can you use this in your daily life?
Well, when you meet someone new, they might ask, How are you? What do you do?
You can use your chunks. You can say, I'm doing well, thank you. I work in an office. How about you?
Or, in class, your teacher might ask, what did you do yesterday?
You can say, yesterday I woke up at 7. I went to work. I had lunch with my friend. I came home and watched a movie.
See? With just a few sentences, you can share your day in English.
And that helps you start real conversations.
The more you practice these small moments, the easier speaking becomes.
Before we finish, let's talk about something interesting.
What's that?
In many English-speaking countries, people use small talk a lot.
Small talk? What's that?
Small talk is light conversation. It's not deep. It's about the weather, your day, your weekend.
Oh, like, nice weather today.
Exactly. Or, how was your weekend? Did you do anything fun? Tip 7. Make friends with your mistakes. Remember, communication, not perfection. That's true. But in English culture, small talk is very important. It helps people feel comfortable.
So I should practice small talk too?
Yes, it's a great way to use your chunks and your English mode.
I like that. It makes English feel friendly, not scary.
Exactly. English is a tool for connection.
My friends? No, Lucy. Mistakes are bad.
We talked about 8 powerful tips to unlock your speaking voice.
We learned about shadowing, creating English mode, learning chunks, and speaking every day.
We also learned about recording yourself, doing role plays, making friends with mistakes, and practicing responding.
And we talked about how to use these tips in real life, like small talk and meeting new people.
Remember, understanding English is wonderful, but your voice is the bridge to connection.
Speak every day, even if it's imperfect. That's how fluency begins.
Small steps every day make a big difference.
You are doing a great job. Keep practicing.
Now we have a question for you. Which tip will you try first?
Will you try shadowing, or talking to yourself, or recording your voice?
Tell us in the comments below. We would love to read your answers.
Yes, and please share one sentence about your day in English. Don't worry about mistakes.
We want to see you practice. Remember, communication, not perfection.
And if you found this episode helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel.
Share it with a friend who feels stuck. They will thank you.
Thank you all so much for listening today.
Keep practicing. You can do this.
See you next time. Bye, everyone.
Goodbye. Keep unlocking your English voice.